Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to discuss chapter 7 of class 9th chemistry. The chapter is electrochemistry and the topic we are going to discuss is 7.1 page 126 to 128. We will discuss what is electrochemistry, oxidation reduction reactions in terms of loss or gain of hydrogen and oxygen and examples of oxidation reduction reactions. What is electrochemistry? The relationship between chemical reaction and electricity is known as electrochemistry. When we study electrochemistry, there are two main ways that electricity and chemical reactions interact with each other. First one is certain chemical reactions can create electricity. Electricity can make certain chemical reactions happen that wouldn't happen otherwise. What is electricity and what are chemical reactions? Electricity is a movement of electrons and is known as electricity. The chemical reaction which involves movement of electrons are known as oxidation reduction reactions. Electrons move from atom A to atom B. In both these situations, electrons are involved, or movement of electron is involved. That's why they are same. So we study electricity and chemical reactions in electrochemistry. So movement of electrons in chemical reactions is known as oxidation and reduction. So we can define oxidation and reduction in this way. Oxidation is gain of oxygen and reduction is loss of oxygen. Oxidation is loss of hydrogen and reduction is gain of hydrogen. Oxidation is loss of electrons and reduction is gain of electrons. So now I'm going to explain oxidation and reduction in terms of loss or gain of oxygen and hydrogen. Example 1. Iron is prepared from its ore, hematite. Its formula is Fe2O3. Iron reacts with carbon monoxide and gives iron and carbon dioxide. Here, Fe2O3 or hematite loses its oxygen and converts into iron. Loss of oxygen takes place and the process is oxidation. Carbon monoxide, which acts as reducing agent, converts into carbon dioxide. It gains oxygen and the process is also known as oxidation because loss or gain of oxygen takes place. Now, example 2. Oxyacetylene flame. Acetylene is an organic compound. Its formula is C2H2. It burns in the presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. C2H2 acetylene loses its hydrogen and gains oxygen. Loss of hydrogen and gain of oxygen is known as oxidation. Oxygen, on the other hand, gains hydrogen and the process of reduction takes place because addition of all hydrogen is known as reduction. In next example, burning of coal, carbon combines with oxygen to give carbon dioxide. Addition of oxygen takes place and the process is oxidation. Here, another example is rusting of iron, which does not involve burning. Iron Fe reacts with oxygen to give Fe2O3, which is the formula of rust. Oxygen is added up in iron and the process of oxidation takes place. This is all about and reduction in terms of loss or gain of hydrogen and oxygen.